Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So let's make this yummy delicious cake together. So we are going to be using 1 cup of sugar, but I reduced it a bit, 250 gram of margarine. This is Simmers butter. You can get it from any baking shop. Then I'll mix it together. I want to show you all this process so that you know that you can also make your cake even though you don't have any equipment, even though you don't have an oven. You can still bake a very yummy and delicious cake. So you just whisk it together. Even though you don't have a whisk, you can also use a turning stick, the one they used to turn eba. You can use it to mix your sugar and butter until it's very soft and it has changed in color, and the color will be brighter, lighter, like pale yellow than how you started. Then you know that it's well mixed, and then you can proceed to the next step. Please guys, bear with me the quality of this video. I had a bit of an issue with my phone, and I didn't want today to go without showing any video. I just have to go ahead and do what I have to do. So I don't want any disappointment to weigh me down, and I have to just do this. So please bear with me and enjoy the content actually. Thank you so much. And if you are new here, please click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be among the first to know.